Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to use SEO title generator from SEOPulser. So if you never heard about this service, it's an AI SEO article generator that allows you to generate hundreds or thousands of articles in a couple of clicks and automatically publish them to your websites. So you have to create an account to be able to use any of the features this service has. You have to create an account, and each account will receive 30 free credits. So I think it's enough to test keywords, titles, and articles generation. How does it work? It has a few different sections. First one is projects. Here you can create a project for your website. You can also use projects just to group your articles, keywords, and titles by, I don't know, different topics, for example. So you don't have to connect websites to all projects you create. So you don't have to select integration or whatever. This project doesn't have any integrations, and you can generate articles or create keywords, titles for this project. So I hope it's clear. Now let's move on to the keyword section. Basically, these are SEO keywords. You can add relevant SEO keywords to this section and then generate child keywords for them or titles, and after that generate articles for those AI generated titles. I already have a few keywords added to my account. As you can see, I added this golf keyword, and after that I generated 20 child keywords. They look like this. And now let's try to generate some titles for, I don't know, just a random keyword. For example, golf history. Let's generate titles. Each title generation costs 1 credit, so keep it in mind that it's not free. But as I said before, every account gets 30 credits for free. Yeah, titles are already generated. Let's see how they look like. Yeah, now we have 10 titles generated for this keyword, and we can use them to generate articles, or we can use this automated system to generate articles automatically from these titles. So you have to understand that you can select automated article generation for each project. For example, you can, I think the keyword was for this project. So you can connect your website. You can how many articles you want to generate per day. You can generate up to 10 articles per day. So let's say I want to generate 1 article per day. And here you can see 2 options. So we can approve random title automatically if no approved titles left, or generate a title from a random keyword if no titles left. So basically, by default, if you select automated article generation here, it will generate articles only from the approved titles. So it will check only titles that have the approved status and generate articles only for those titles. But if you want to generate if you want to generate articles for any titles, you don't want to manually pre-approve titles, you can select this option. If you don't even want to generate titles, you can simply add keywords and select this option, and it will automatically generate titles for your keywords randomly, and after that it will use those titles for the articles. So yeah, as you can see, we already have some titles. I have even more titles I generated before. So let's try to generate an article. Yeah, you can also reject, like change the status of the title to rejected. And you can also generate articles manually for any titles you have. So let's say we want to generate an article for this title. Simply click on generate article button, and it will automatically prefill data from this title, and also it will automatically use the settings of the project connected to this title. So as you can see, we connected this project to this keyword. We can change it to, let's say, this one, and as you can see, it already changed the article structure settings. It changed the article size and these additional article sections. So yeah, so it's very easy to configure SEO content creation workflow. It's very easy to generate titles, and you can also control the full kind of workflow. So yeah, so let's finally generate an article. Yeah, this one. Click generate, and yeah, it usually takes around 30 to 60 seconds to generate one article. It depends on the size, amount of images you decided to generate for this article, amount of videos, and some other things. But yeah, so let's see how an average article looks. Yeah, so I already have this. Yeah, this is a small article. Let's choose a different one. Yeah, so average article looks like this. It has a table of contents, intro, key takeaways, a few paragraphs. Some paragraphs have AI generated images. Some paragraphs have relevant YouTube videos, and yeah, more paragraphs, more videos, and then it has a conclusion and frequently asked questions section. So yeah, that's how it looks. Here you can also see that this article has tags, meta description, categories, project, slide, title, and you can also create unlimited amount of revisions for each article. By default, you cannot edit this article to make sure you always have the original article saved. But if you want to change something, you can create a revision. As you can see, this revision was created like here. So and after that, you can remove. Let's say we want to remove this section. We removed it, and it will automatically save all the changes. So you don't have to click any buttons. You simply do whatever you need, and it automatically saves these changes. If you select the project that has integration connected, then you will see this publish button. You can click and click this button, and it will publish this article automatically to your websites. I'm not sure if it's gonna work because probably I removed this. No, I did not remove. It's still available. So I click this button, and as you can see, it automatically publishes this article to my Wix website, but you can actually publish it to whatever you want, like Shopify, WordPress, WordPress.com, Host, and a few other options. Let's check. Yeah, this article was already generated, and yeah, basically it looks very similar to the article I showed you before. So you can see very beautiful AI generated images, a few different paragraphs, YouTube videos, conclusion, FAQ, all these things. And yeah, basically that's how it works. I hope it was clear how I explained this title generation feature. And yeah, just to summarize, basically you create a project, then you not generate, but just add keywords to that project. Then you generate child keywords. Then you generate titles for those keywords. And if you want, you can generate articles manually for each title. If not, you can automate generation, and it will generate articles automatically. You can also generate without creating any titles, keywords, or whatever. So yeah, that's how it works. If you have any, I don't know, questions or suggestions, let me know. And thank you for your attention.